Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When a Zoeller sump pump doesn't kick on at the right water level, it's usually not a failure, it's a setup issue with the float height. If the activation point is too low, the pump may run too frequently and wear out faster. If it's too high, water can rise more than it should before the pump reacts, which is risky during heavy rain. The float is essentially the decision maker of the system, telling the pump exactly when to start and stop. Getting this level dialed in correctly makes a big difference in how efficiently and safely your sump system operates. The adjustment itself is simple, but it needs to be done with awareness of your pit depth and normal water level. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set the activation level so your Zoeller sump pump works the way it's supposed to. Try these. Step 1. Turn off power to the sump pump to ensure safe handling. Step 2. Identify the float type and locate its adjustment point on the pump. Step 3. Slide or reposition the float higher or lower along the rod or tether. Step 4. Lock the float in place so it doesn't shift during operation. Step 5. Add water into the pit to observe when the pump activates. Step 6. Adjust again if needed until the pump starts at the desired level.